Hi guys, following up on our dashboard design, we will need to create components for our nav menus, both for the web version and the mobile version. So I'm going to bring this out and we're going to make 5 more versions of this since we have altogether 6 menus. So I'm going to select this and select Command D into 5 more places. So I'm going to select everything, then come to the components feature section. I'm going to set it to create component set. I'm going to select this one and call it dashboard. Then this second one is supposed to have its active state as invoice. I'll copy this and then select all the dashboard versions and paste to replace just to make them inactive. For this one, we're going to make clients active. Paste to replace, just write clients. Change the icon to this. Change the color as well. Then for this particular one, we're going to turn payments to active state. So this is just going to be written as payment. I'm going to change the icon. Then I'm also going to change the icon color. Just to replace. I'm going to copy this. Select this. Paste to replace. Change this to statement. Paste to replace. Change this to settings. Okay, this is already titled dashboard. Then I'll rename this to invoice. I'll rename this to clients. I'll also rename this to payments. I'm also going to rename this to statements. Then I'll rename this as settings. I can just copy this component and then come back to our dashboard, select this and paste to replace. So let's say we want to change from dashboard to payments. I'm just going to select this variant, then come to our property and then set it to payment. It automatically switches to payment. I can also decide to change it to client. It automatically goes to client. So that way your designs are very smooth and easier. We're also going to do the same for mobile nav bar. So I'm going to just paste this here and obviously duplicate this into 5 more variants. So I'll select all these active state dashboards. I'll remove their fill color and then change their color to our inactive state color. For this particular screen, we're going to make invoice our active state. I'm going to copy this. Just paste to replace invoice. Change this icon. Select this, change color. Then we're also going to do same for all of them. So we're going to duplicate one more for notification. So I'm going to highlight everything and then come to our component section and click on create component set. So this is dashboard, then this is invoices, this is clients, this is payments, statements, this is settings, and the last one is notification. I can easily switch from dashboard to invoices, from invoices to payments. Yeah, that's about it.